Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video we are going to create a login UI in Android Studio, not using any other third party or we can say another UI design software. We are just going to use Android Studio for that. So let's get started. So just create a new project from here, and I will name it as our login UI. Like, okay, so I will name it as Android login UI XML. Okay, and next select your SDK version. Next, choose empty activity. Next, and finish. So after create this application, we will use some vector icons like user, and for password we are going to use a lock icon for that. So the Gradle build is running. I will skip this part and will see you after it builded successfully. So the Gradle build is successfully completed. So we just go in our activity main.xml. I will just select design view from here, and we'll have to replace this constraint layout with relative layout. So just select all of this and type relative layout, and remove this field from here. And what we are going to do, we are going to remove this, but before we remove this we just have to um, import two things. First, right click on drawable and choose vector asset. Click on this Android icon over here, and it will show you some more icons. So just choose two icons, one for user and another for our password lock icon for that. So I will just searching for user icon. Okay, so here it is. So just click and then okay, and next, and finish. Same, once again we have to import lock icon. So just click and search for lock icon. If let's try with this lock, yes we have. So choose this one. Okay, next, and finished. So after imported it, then we have to go in our values and style, and we have to remove this action bar with no action bar. Okay, and just close it. As you can see, we just removed it. Now create a linear layout and wrap content, and will match parent for that. Okay, so match parent for both of these. Now what we have to do is create another linear layout inside this, and match parent with, and wrap content from here. uh, Besides using this, we just have to give some margin height for this, like 200 is enough for me. And for this I will use match parent for this. Now just we have to make it color. So write Android background. For this we are going to use our action bar color, which is primary dark, so we just using that color for here. Now what we have to do is we have to import an image. Before importing an image, you just have to download it from website, or you can make it as you wish, like rounded circle. So for that I will have an image which is rounded, so I will just copy and paste in drawable. So just go on desktop, copy, go in your Android Studio drawable folder, right click and paste it over here. Okay, and we'll name it like profile.png. Make sure that uh, no space come between this your image name, like profile one. This is not allowed because it generates error in our application. So just write without any spaces. So just click OK, and before we go further, just write orientation vertical in both of this linear layout. So just write orientation and vertical here. Now in second linear layout we have to make a image view. So for this image view I will use 150 dp width and 150 dp height, and Android gravity will be centered, and margin top will be 10 dp from top, and maybe 15 dp, 15 or yes, 20 will be good. Now what we have to do is write Android background and select our profile, and it will show our image over here. Now what we have to do is in this layout. Now this layout only contains image and text, which is you can write anything if you want to write over here. I'll not write any text, and in here I will create an edit text with maybe wrap match parent will be, and height will be 50 dp maybe, and margin top will be 20 or something more. I will okay, 30 is good. Now what we have to do is just here write Android background and choose color primary. Okay, now as you can see that we have some want some spaces on both of these. So besides using match parent, I will use about 200 500 sorry 300 dp of width, and gravity should be center. And if you want to increase this, then you can increase. Okay, 350 dp is very good. Now write hint username. Okay, now for hint color I will use white color and write drawable start and use our drawable, which is this person and lock. For person I will use this. As you can see, it will come in black, so just double click on this, and here we just use white color. As you can see, it will created in white. Now if you see, it will come in white color. So same for this lock, we just remove this all zero from here and place it with this F, so it will create white color. And now just copy this edit text and paste it, and in margin top I will remove this and give 10 dp margin top, and for this I will use password, and in here I will use lock. Okay, now the other thing I will want to do is just create a button which is with same as our edit text, and the height should be same as our edit text. And for this I will use color is primary color, which is this our status bar color, or I will use what I will use background and color primary color accent, yes, color accent, which is contains default color of this pink color, and just gave layout gravity center, and gave margin top is about 20 dp. No, we want some more, so I will 50 or 60 dp, as you can see now, and give text is login, and text color should be white also, and text style should be bold, and text size should be 20 dp. In our both edit text we have same we want same size, so just write 20 dp for both. So okay, now just create a text view here, and match parent and match parent. Okay, now write text should be forgot password. Okay, and give gravity centered. Okay, now for this same, and should be 50 dp. Okay, right, gravity centered. I don't know why it is not going centered. So let's just try with center horizontal. It will not doing. So just remove this and give margin top about 20 dp, and margin left is about 100 130 dp. So it will just go in this center. Maybe is you just have to give something above 140. Yes, 140 is good. Now what we have to do is we have to give on click method on this button and this text view. So just write on click and write forgot got password, click, and just alt enter and create on click event handler in main activity, and okay, same for this button. We have to give on click login click. Okay, same alt enter and create on click event handler. Okay, so when this button will be when this button will be clicked, a message will be shown over here. So just go in main activity.java. On this first forgot password on click event listener, we have to write toast dot make text and write like so. Just write get application context and write toast message what you want to show on that forget link clicked. So I will just write forgot password. Okay, and here I will use length short and semicolon with this. Okay, I will just copy and paste over here and write just okay, and for this so this is it. So we will just test how it looks in our virtual device. So I will start our virtual device. We'll use this pixel for this. So just AVD is starting. So after started I will continue this video. So our virtual device is starting. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for now. So before we install that APK in our device, we just have to see how it looks like in this pixel. So I will just click on this and choose my device is a Pixel. So as you can see that more spaces come here, so I will just give some margin to this and all will automatically arrange by itself. So just give some like 130 dp, and as you can see it will automatically arranged by itself. So for this layout I will give some height to this also, about 250 dp, and about 100 dp, and just give image margin top to about 40 dp, and let's just run on our Android device. So just select your device and run. So it will take some time to create uh, installation file for this our AVD. So now our application is installing, and as you can see it will look like this in our device. So just write something in here. Okay, and for this, now when we click on this button, what is will show? Let's just see. Okay, so nothing is happening on this. Okay, so we'll have to see on our coding why it not going to show. So problem should be here, toast.makeText get application context, then text toast.length. Okay, we didn't write show, so just write show on here also, and then just run again this. Just wait. Okay, so now if we click on this login button, the toast should be shows, as you can see, login successfully on the password click, forgot password. Okay, so this is how you call toast on this uh, uh, on on click method, and this is how you XML layout in Android Studio. So if you know how you can create a layout using Android Studio, then you don't need any other software to create UI. So in our next video we are going to create something different, and in future we also going to see how to create some more advanced UI only in Android Studio using XML. So like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, then just write down below in description box.